If you want to organize your schedule faster and make important tasks stand out at a glance, then learning how to color code Google Calendar tasks is a simple trick that can make a big difference. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to change the color of a task in Google Calendar step by step, so you can make your calendar easier to read and much more visually organized. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Google Calendar tips and productivity tutorials. Now let's jump in. First, open Google Calendar in your browser or on your device and make sure you're signed into the correct Google account. Once your calendar loads, look for the task you want to color code. You can click directly on that task to open its details. After the task opens, look for the pencil edit icon. This is the button you need to edit the task settings. Click the pencil icon to open the full edit screen. On the edit page, you'll see different options for customizing the task. Find the color icon and click it. This is where you can choose the color you want for that specific task. Google Calendar usually gives you a few color choices, so pick the one that makes the most sense for your workflow. For example, you might use red for urgent tasks, blue for work-related tasks, or green for personal reminders. Once you select the color, make sure to click Save to apply your changes. After saving, your task will immediately appear in the selected color on your calendar. That makes it much easier to identify priorities, group similar tasks together, and quickly scan your schedule without confusion. If you want to stay more organized, you can repeat these same steps for other tasks and build your own color coding system across your calendar. It's a small change, but it can really improve how you plan your day. And that's how to color code Google Calendar tasks in just a few simple steps. If this video was helpful, make sure to give it a like, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.